Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is our last day here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Fixing to give you a little tour of at least the outside of the house. Since we've been living in the house for, what, 4 nights now, I'll probably just use the pictures of the inside. It's not trashed or anything, but the people that own the house have been really, really nice to us, and I want everything to look good for them. So Adam's behind the camera right now, and I appreciate that. But what you can't see in the camera right now is behind me, there are back in the corner over here, there are just now, there's just a few deer. But before, Adam counted 11. I thought I counted 13. And they were all right up in this area right here. So were you able to find them back there, Adam? Okay, cool. So yeah, there's just a couple left, it looks, but this is what we've been seeing pretty much every night. So Adam's going to get me back in the camera here. So anyway, so that's been one of the cool things. We've come home at night. The downside up here is I guess it's some kind of deer season or something, because we've seen a bunch of deer that they didn't make it crossing the road. And even here, I almost hit one the other night coming out of the driveway even, and there were just 2 of them, bang, bang, right in front of the car. So Adam's going to spin the camera around and let you see our house here. We got a really cool fire pit that it has just been too cold for us to use. Tonight would be probably the first night that we'd maybe want to use that. And we don't want to go buy firewood at this point since we're leaving in the morning. We've actually had snow one night or 2 nights, I don't remember, but we had snow on the car one night for sure. And as you can see, part of this trip was, could we live live with an electric car this whole trip? And we've had this great Kia EV6, and I got to tell you, I am, if I was looking for a 2-year-old car for my world, this would be way, way up there. I have to admit, this is the Kia EV6 rear wheel drive Wind, and I'll have a full review on that on an Average Car Guy Reviews channel. And like I said, basically that was the whole trip. So let's talk about, we're going to talk about the house here in a minute. Let's talk about one of the reasons we rented this house. We rented this house because with an EV car, we had an EV charger. Well, unfortunately, we've had some issues with that. The homeowner's been spectacular, or the property manager has been spectacular in trying to help us get that fixed. You know, sometimes things happen and you just have to pivot. We've done that. We've been able to go over to Blairsville. We actually found some cool breakfast spots, and we've only had to go over there twice. So it's not, it's been a little bit of an inconvenience, but it's not something that would stop me from staying at this house. It's a pretty nice house. So, but the one thing I will say is, if you're an EV owner and you are looking at houses to rent, check what kind of charger it is, because we didn't know it was a Tesla charger. And with that being the case, well, if we didn't have the adapter, which I fortunately do, if we didn't have the adapter, that would have been a problem. So make sure you ask about that kind of thing. Just a little tip there. So over here, you can see this is actually technically this is the back door of the house, but it's I guess the front door from the standpoint of when you come in. And great key code, great kitchen in this house. It's just, and as you can see, I mean, it's funny. The little kid in me says, "Wow, what a waste! What a cool place to go play football or whatever back there." And you've got this. I imagine at some point that'll get developed or something, but it's not a house made for, it's a house made for a couple or maybe 2 couples or something like that. Or in our case, made for a pair of roommates that are staying on the east side of the house from each other. And so we're going to load up the camera. We're going to walk around to the front of the house, show you that, because that's kind of cool. All right, so here we are at the front of the house. As you can see in the camera, it's pretty, it's windowy. It's very, very windowy. And it's very modern, very cool look to it for sure. We don't have the camera centered. I told Adam that I wanted him to keep the camera slightly off to the side in case any of those deer started coming back up. I wanted him to jump and go ahead and do those instead of me. But on this side, you can see we've got a hot tub over here. And then there's a bedroom right back here behind that door. That's Adam's room. And then our main area, that's the living room right there. And then over here outside, you've got a seating area with a wood-fired fireplace and a TV up top. So that's kind of cool too. And so that's kind of the front of the house. It's really neat at night. I may snap a picture or two at night. Here again, it's the first time that it's not just been way too cold to do anything. All this, we didn't have snow that stuck, but for Florida people, it was a lot of snow. The house has air conditioning. The house has good heat, that kind of stuff there. The only issue that we've run into is, as you can see right now, the sun is just pounding on this thing. And yeah, I'm not sure I'd want to rent it in the summer, but for this time of year, it's been a really spectacular place. And as I said, the hosts have been wonderful people. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down in the bottom. If you're looking for a cabin and this fits, it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2 king size beds. So it's not really made for big families or anything like that, but you know, it's a neat little cabin. It's been nice to us, and I just can't speak well enough of the host. So there's that. So, and the view, this is always what people want to know over here. Adam's going to spin around and follow me over a little bit on the view. We're limited by the big ball of gas fire here that's blinding me. Go ahead and spin around this way, Adam. There you go. It may get a little off level, but hey, we're not perfect camera people, right? As you can see, there's a road over here. There's another house over here. And then as you get over here, this is kind of where you get the view at over here is we've got some nice mountain range over here. At night, it's kind of cool because it's good and dark. And then if we go all the way around, try not to blind us on that ball of gas back there. But as you come around, this is our little road coming in over here. This little trail comes down. Used to be a chicken coop, I guess, up there, and I guess now that's been developed into this and everything else. So that's pretty much the outside of our house. And like I said, I'm gonna probably use the pictures from the inside of the house that are on VRBO. We got the house vacation rentals by owner. And would I stay here again? Absolutely, I'd stay here again. It's been a wonderful house. We actually, with the gas fireplace inside, it actually got so hot that we had to open the door one night. And so, yeah, but I would definitely do that. Hope everybody's having a great day. And at the end of this video, I've got about 2 or 3 minutes of the deer up close. I'm going to go ahead and just put that on there. So if that's your thing, stick tight. Next, we'll look at the inside of the house. Have a great day.
So check out the inside of the house. This is the living room right here. A nice fireplace, nice TV. Everything was pretty comfortable as you would expect for a cabin rental. I mean, it's not home, but hey, those things never are. Good kitchen right here. And then we get into one of the bedrooms. Bedrooms are great. Very bright in the morning, so just be aware of that. So hope you enjoy the rest of this. We're going to transition in some views of the back of the property here where there were just a bunch of deer. I think we counted 11 or 13. They were just all over the place. It was crazy. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to quit talking here in just a second. And please like and subscribe. Share the video with friends. I'd appreciate that. Please remember I do have another channel, an Average Car Guy Reviews. It'll have all the road trip parts on it. Have a great day. So all these deer are gonna bolt. So I think this is the most I've seen. We've seen them every afternoon out here. But let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I'm counting 13 of them. How cool is that? Came out here to do a little. I need to do a house review still. So I came out here to get my microphone and stuff so I can put it on. And these guys were here. So I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that go for a couple of minutes. Some people like that kind of stuff.